Hello friends, today I'm gonna introduce you to my favorite oven grill and fryer cleaner. I got it from Sam's Club. It's Members Mark Commercial Pro Force commercial product. It's a heavy duty formula and it removes baked on food and grease. Today I'm gonna give a review, a demo about how it works, and as the kids are at home for next 3 weeks, there is a lot of cooking and then cleaning too. So let's see how good it can clean the grill off my stove. Let's start. For this, first you have to have some heavy duty gloves, both hands, and then we are gonna spray it nicely and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. So I have sprayed it very nicely all over the grill, and then I'll leave it actually for more than 5 minutes. So the instructions here. So for the grill, apply cleaner to soil surfaces up to 200 Fahrenheit and allow to stand for 1 to 5 minutes, and then agitate with brush or abrasive pad. Rinse surfaces thoroughly with water after use. I'm gonna leave it for more than 5 minutes and see you guys in a little bit. So after 15 to 30 minutes, actually, I just sprinkled this Comet with bleach, which deodorizes and cleans tough stains. So I have just sprinkled this and I waited for 10 more minutes. Now I have this green wet scrubbing pad with me, and I'm gonna just clean it. It's a little wet. I'm going to clean all of it with this and show you the picture once these are all cleaned and washed. The best way to do is I just placed one grill in my sink and I'm just rubbing it like this. If I show you a close-up, you can see that this is all the grease which is coming off. I have scrubbed all this with a wet scrubbing pad. And once we will just wash it, you will see the difference. So let me just clean it all and show you the final result. While I'm still cleaning, I really want to show you how clean it makes the stuff, how it cleans actually. This is all the grease. It has become greasy brown in color, so I'm just gonna wipe it. Wanted to show that what is the effect of this grease removing cleaning agent. This is magical. I love it. So wow, this is the final look of the stove. Everything looks clean, neat, and I'm satisfied. It looks better than before. I would definitely recommend this Pro Force commercial product by Members Mark. I didn't see that it kills flu virus, influenza A virus. Maybe in future we'll have something for the coronavirus and it will be stated on it, but for right now, this was sitting in my garage and I thought of showing a demo and a review on this. While a lot of cleaning and cooking going on in the houses because of the kids here, please use everything for the cleaning you have been ungrateful for or you haven't seen it for a long time. Use them and keep healthy, keep washing your hands, and watch my videos. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Goodbye till next time.